Another couple shot dead by gunmen in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Sh0t TV News Report. A man and a woman were shot dead by a gunman in Glanville, St. James on Wednesday. The deceased has so far been identified as Sh0t Holness and Jonian Roberts, both 28 years old residents of Garden Crescent in St. James. The attack came a day after another couple were shot dead by a gunman in Westmoreland, which shares the border with St. James and the western end of the island. The deceased in Tuesday's attack has so far been identified as Anthony Godfrey and his common-law wife, Chrisanne Brooks. Regarding Wednesday's attack, the Glanville police reported that at about 11:45 p.m., both Holness and Roberts were pounced upon by a gunman who opened fire, hitting them both before escaping. Residents summoned the police, who transported them to the hospital where they succumbed to their injuries. The investigation continues. This has been Sh0t TV News Report. Thanks for watching.